Okay, we are getting started with the first image, the classic list post. Okay, let's put the title, the classic list post. Just save it. And the classic list post is here. I'm going to edit. First one is having 17 with the green background and some of the text. As usual, I'm going to add the text, and here as the text span, I'm not going to add anything on the text span. I'm going to add only for child. I'll put 17. Clicking on save, and we need some more text like in S A N E L E C T I N A B L E list ending strategies that will the next generate more subscribers today is a different text, so I'm going to add this one. I'm going to add GENERAT more today. That's nice. So I'm going to expand 17 this case one space on the left. Okay, there we got it, and at the end it will have one more space, subscribers today. That's nice. I'm going to set space for record. Okay, we are going to give background for only for 17, and text black color is as usual. Okay, font size I'm going to just increase a little bit. Okay, keep the font size in mind, and background color should be somewhat green. Okay, close, and the text style is bold. Okay, we got it. And this one is also increasing the text size and bold as well. And the last one again with the background. Okay, close, bold and size. Okay, if you want, this should be in next line. Put enter over here. Let's go, and okay, this color is more not accurate. I'm going to select this. Okay, the next is having image. I'm going to select the text and select everything. I'm going to upload one image from here. Okay, this one is fine for me, and it should have padding all the size. Okay, I'm going to select the network image and put a padding, and every side should go on top 32 on sorry, okay, left, not in left, on top 32, or bottom it should contain 32 pixel. Okay, now I'm selecting everything. Next is we having one user icon and 2 line of text. Okay, so it should be a row. I'm going to select row. I'm selecting image. Okay, upload. I'm going to some user image pixels. Okay, small icon. Okay, this one is nice. Okay, I'm going to size it with the width only 100 pixel and height should only 100 pixel. Okay, it's bigger than what we expect. I'm going to give only 50. Okay, 50. Okay, then 2 line of text. 2 line of text one another means it should be in column. Okay, I'm selecting row and add one more column here. Under the column I'm going to add 2 line of text. Okay, first text is somewhat name, and second text is like ETIYN. Okay, the image is I hope the image is not center aligned. That's why we are seeing this kind of misaligned, but it should be center, right? Okay, what I'm going to do is selecting the row, the cross axis alignment, it should be in center. Okay, now it's okay. The next line is obviously text. I'm unselecting everything, put a text and here. Okay, I think you will agree with me when I say okay. The next one is also a text, but it should be it has a background color. I add one more text. Then the content will be it's very hard to grow a YouTube channel channel, but it has some space on the top and background like yellow. I'm selecting here yellow. Okay, what I'm going to do is select the text, put it under padding and giving padding top only top to 16 pixel. Okay, the next thing what I'm going to do is I could add sized box too, and the height is only 32 pixel, and I'm unselecting. We can't able to unselect due to the bug. For that I'm selecting padding first and unselecting the padding and adding one more text, and this select the text span, and the content will be well while not as easy as it used to be, comma. The next line should be has the background color, so I'm going to add background text like this. One more text span. You can still get more views and subscribers, and the from is not having any background, that's the reason we just add this one. Okay, and from start with the single space from your in channel dot. Okay, I'm saving this one too. It has now it's expand. Okay, it should has the background color as yellow. Okay, close. That's nice. Then again unselect everything, and we have some more space. Okay, I will add on sized box on height to 99 pixels. Okay, select and unselect. Again we have one more line with the rounded corners. This time what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some on container and put the background color to the violet one as there. Okay, and put the width to 10 nines, so it will take maximum width. Okay, then I'm going to delete the sized box under the container, and I'm going to select the container and text as child of the container. Then I will type the content DORCH fat with a protein rich breakfast. Okay, here we can tell you this one. Okay, and I'm going to increase the size a little bit and bold, and background color is somewhat lighter. Okay, I'm going to lighter color like this. And the container is having a corner paddings. Okay, this like a 12 pixel. It's higher than 8 pixel. No. Okay, let's put 4 pixel, 4 pixel, 4 pixel, 4 pixel. Okay, then we have two lines like that. Let me see those things as a background. What I'm going to is simply I'm going to add the one more container and background to gray. Okay, and with 999 maximum space, and the sized box it should be lesser height, like height should not should be in sort of 10 pixels. Okay, we got 10 pixels, and put the container inside the padding, so I could add some padding on the top, like 32. Okay, next I'm going to add one more padding. This time remove this padding and put again container. Oh, sorry, like this you can't add container. If you want to container under padding, you have to long press it. Okay, then again background color with the gray. So again with to infinity, like 999. Okay, and we need somewhat padding over here on top. I will go 32, or not 32, only 16. Okay, it's fine. The size of the box height to only 10 pixels. Okay, 20 pixels. Oh, okay, 10 pixels is fine. Okay, we came up to this line, then we have subheading 2. Okay, unselecting everything, subheading 2. Okay, put on container, and under the container it should be a text, and the text I'm placing subheading 2, and size is somewhat larger. Scroll down, we can see that. Okay, bold. Okay, and the container I'm going to add some more padding, like 88. Okay, and container background color should be on the violet side. Okay, close, and the corner radius is somewhat 8888. Okay, padding is too larger for the subheading, so I'm reducing into 4. Okay, 4. Okay, it's nice. Also corner radius to 4. Okay, and we need some padding over there. I'm going to add the padding on top. I will give some 32 pixels. It's not enough, 64. And next we are seeing 2 gray lines as well, so with some more padding. So I'm going to add some one padding, and inside the padding I'm going to replace it with the container. Sorry, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, inside the padding, long press to replace it with the container, and the height should be the 10 pixels, and color should be the gray one. Okay, close and scroll to see that, and giving padding to top only 16 pixels. Okay, then adding one more container, and size height should be only 10 pixels, and width should be full size. Okay, oh, not here. With okay, 999. Okay, background to this time gray. Okay, gray. Okay, and the right padding at the right. No. Okay, put everything in the padding. Okay, on top 32. 32 is too large. Putting 8 only. Okay, at right side, for that giving some more space, like right side is 64 pixels. Okay, 128. That's nice. Same thing I'm going to give here as well. Okay, not here. Okay, container. Okay, padding top. The right side 128. Okay, that's nice. Here with this 999. That's nice. Okay, I'm going to save this one. I don't want to lose the data. At next we could see some bullet points and some lines. So what I'm going to do, basically it's a row and columns. So what I'm going to do, first add on padding. Under the padding I'm going to add column, one by one. On each column we have 2, 4, 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. On each row there is a bullet and the row line, like text. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a bullet. Just to create a container. Oops, sorry, delete this one. We need to add a container inside the row. Just hold. Okay, we added container, and the size box should be only 10 pixel into 10 pixel. So 10 pixel rounded by 2.5 pixel is gives you the circle icon. Going to select the background color blue. Okay, close. As you can see, there is a square, but I'm going to give the border radius to 2.5. 2.5. As you can see, you could see some. Okay, definitely we need the padding around the container. I'm going to put it under padding. So what it will from that side, it's from left side on top it will be 32. Okay, it's left 0. On top it should be 32. Okay, container padding, corner radius. Okay, 2.15. Okay, maybe 5 radius will work for us. 5. Okay, perfect. Round circle, and one more text line to this. Oops, we missed it. Okay, we'll do that again. Under padding, container, delete this one. Padding is okay. Not this one. We have padding and container. Background color to blue. Close. Sized box to 10 pixel. We got square, and corner radius to 5. So we got the bullet. And inside row I'm going to add one more text here. Okay, that should be 1. But as you can see, it's take too much. Padding is only applied to the container, so I'm going to remove the padding from here, and to the entire row I'm going to add padding for the entire row, like this. And padding top should be 32. Nice one. And the text has some more space, so instead of doing padding, I'm going to give some space from here itself. 1 2 okay, 2 3 okay, 3 pixels. So this one is nice. For the next row I'm going to do the same. First wrap with padding. Okay, the padding top should be 16 pixels. Got it. Inside the row I'm adding one container. Oops, we need to add container inside the row. Just hold on. Got it. Sized box 10 pixels, 10 pixels. Select container and color should be okay, and the corner radius 5 5 5 5, and inside the row I'm going to add one more text, and that should be 2. Okay, let's scroll. We could see the 2, but it's not having any space. 1 2 3, that's right. Same thing continues for everyone. Padding, I'm repeating myself. Padding, okay, padding should be top 6 page 16. 16 16. On inside the row I'm going to add container. Oops, again I missed. You need to long press to add the container inside the row, and row contains one more text column too. Like the same way, long press to add the container inside the row, and one more text here, and the same way long press to add container inside, and one more text here. Expand it, and text it should be expand it, and it should be 5, and here as well for your HR3, and the container corner radius as we know 5 5, background color to somewhat blue, and the size should be 10 pixel and 10 pixel, and text should have some space. 1 2 3. Okay, here we come again. Here text should have 3 1 2 3, and container size should be only 10 pixels, and container color should somewhat blue. 5 5 5 5. Okay, the last one, select color to blue, close. Okay, size should be 10 10. You need to focus the value on top of that. If you select same sized box, it won't affect over there. That's the reason. Okay, container color should be somewhat blue. Okay, corner should be your original value is on top of that. Here is 0, so I'm putting 5 5 5 5. Okay, we need some spacing on 5. 1 2 3. F is missing. Okay, 5. Then everything is fine. Collapsing. Add one more padding. Okay, on top I will give 64 pixels. Scroll. Okay, inside sized box we don't need the sized box, we need a text, so I'm deleting text, and text should be conclusion. Okay, size should be somewhat big, and it should be in bold, That's nice. Okay. Again we could see 3 lines over there, so I'm going to add one more padding. Inside the padding, long press add the container inside of it, and size about height should be 10, and color should be on gray side, close. Okay, and with this triple line. Okay, that's good. And one more padding, and long press to add container of it, and size box, and 10. Container background color to gray, and with to 999. Scroll, you can see, but there is no spacing on top of it. I'm giving 16 pixels, and above this two on top I will give 16. Unselect it. I'm going to add one more container, and the container should be wrapped with padding, and height is 10, and container with this infinity, color to gray, and padding, its top should have 16 pixels gap, and right side it has some gap. That's the reason on the right side I'm going to 32. That's a nice one, and it's having rounded edges, so I'm going to add rounded edges to the container itself. So I'm going to add like 4. So we got some kind of rounded edges, but 5 will make perfect round, because the height is 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, and I'm doing the same thing for others too. Just reloading, I'm selecting other elements because the container is same kind of element. Okay, 5, 5, 5, 5, and for above the 2 I'm selecting container, and this 5, 5, 5, 5 got sharp edges, rounded edges, and we left only with the final element. I'm collapsing on which tool you are going to try first. Okay, I'm going to add one more padding. Is it added or not? No, not added. Padding, and inside of it I'm going to add container. Okay, inside of it I'm going to add a text. Okay, and this one, which tool are you going to try first? Okay, scroll down, and we are left with more spaces. On top side I'm going to 32 pixels, on bottom side I'm going to give same 32 pixels. Okay, got at the bottom too. Okay, we need to give colors. For the container, somewhat this color, I don't get that color where it is. Okay, I will choose this one, and give padding 4 pixels around the text. Okay, and the corner radius to 4. Okay, we got it. Some more lighter color we need. Okay, what else? A text size. Okay, going to increase on text size, and should be bold, no bold. Okay, okay, I hope we have done everything as per the design, but something is missing. That is, it has around the padding, empty space around the screen. So what I'm going to do, from the first I'm going to add left and right padding over there. First text not having any padding, just I select the text and wrap with the padding, and going to give top 32 pixels and left 32 pixels and right to 32 pixels, and the next element having the padding network image, but it should surround with 32 pixels. Okay, I'm going to give 32 32. And next row, so I'm not going to add space for row, so I'm going to bottom 32. Okay. Then row. Okay. In the row also having some padding, so I'm going to add padding on the left side, add 32 pixels. And next selectable text not having any padding, I'm going to pad with and only with the left side, 32 pixels. Nice. And next also on the left side 32, and the next not having padding, put one padding, left side 32. Okay. And container is not having any padding, put one padding, left side 32, and right side to 32, so the text won't be overlapped. Don't forget the right side to 32 pixels. Okay. And here left side 32. Okay, here left side 32 pixels, and the right side to 32. That's nice. Left side 32 and right side 128 is fine. Okay. Okay. Left side 32. If the value is not changed, just try to edit it. Okay. As you can see, left side is 32 here, and if I select this padding, actually the left side is 0, but 32 is written here because before we selected the padding element, that's the reason. So I just delete the 3 and put 2 over there, and you can see 32 is the value of that. And here 32 as well, and forgot to add right side padding 32. Okay. 32. Okay, moving entire column to the right, 32, and the conclusion should be 32, and padding should be 32, and right side should be 64, 32, 32. Here 32, 128, and here start with. Okay, we hope the entire design is completed. The image is okay, just save it, and I'm going to check Lothan blog again, lothan.ch. Okay, before we test, as you can see, the design is edited as per our design. I hope most of the design. Oh, that's perfect.